What's up guys, this is your Big Daddy Rocks, and today we'll be featuring our Fienodi wireless Lavalier microphone. First item inside the case is our receiver. The second item is the transmitter or microphone. A second microphone is also included inside the case. Now let's check on the variety of cables that we could use. First is the TRS-TRRS cable. Next would be the Type-C to Lightning cable for our Apple users. Charging cables for our receiver and our microphone is also included. No worries for our folks who doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, because a Type-C to Type-C cable is also included straight out of the box. The next item is a TRS to TRS cable. The last items are two pieces of dead cat. For the installation, just place the mount of the dead cat to the microphone piece and twist clockwise. To turn on the microphone, just click and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and a green LED light will indicate that it's ready to be paired. Just repeat the procedure on the second mic. Just repeat the procedure on the receiver, and once the green LED light of the microphones will turn orange, that would indicate that it's already paired. Testing the audio of the default camera app. Testing the noise cancelling feature of Fienodi wireless Lavalier microphone. This microphone would be a great additional to our channel, and what better way to test it than to test it on our shoutouts. Shout out idol from Jason Caspe. Shout out to you, Jason Caspe, for supporting our channel. Proud uncle watching here in Oman, Muscat. Hope to see the squad again in your next vlog. From Nelk Narf Singkulan. Shout out to you, uncle. Thank you for supporting our channel. Hopefully soon we will invite again the squad to join our vlog. Yummy from Glycerin Balloon Kit. Shout out to you, Mommy Glycerin Balloon Kit. Thank you for always supporting our channel. Thank you, Big Daddy Rocks at Silugan, Sao Paulo, Basak, Lapu-Lapu. Shout out to you, Mom Baby Spice. Thank you also for having us at Silugan, Sao Paulo. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. So, bye for now, and see you again on our next video.